YouTube now highlights the most replayed parts of videos to let you skip the boring parts. Oh, just what we needed.
Oh, no.
Just what we... Well, no.
Just murder watch time here.
You're saying that as a YouTuber, but not as a viewer. You're like, yep, show me what I need.
I'm not much of a scrubber.
They did a thing a long time ago where you would Google something like a tutorial on how to do something.
They still do that.
Oh, yeah, and it jumps right to the part.
That's
amazing. That part is amazing.
Did you get that, Will?
Yeah, I got it.
You got that?
The point
He's going for it today. Yeah. He's really going for it today. Who's got time to watch a whole YouTube video anyway? Well, in the TikTok generation, in the TikTok world, I mean, not the people here in the community. They would never skip anything.
No.
We're here together.
I don't think they can skip.
No. We are here together. Don't you dare. I'm looking at you right now. I'm looking at you. Don't you go anywhere. But yeah, no, I get it. It's fine. You want to go to the useful part. You're a human being. You're a milk drinker, whichever one you choose. YouTube will now highlight the most replayed parts of videos in its web player and mobile apps. The feature was previously available on an experiment for YouTube Premium subscribers, but it is launching for all users today. You'll be able to identify the most popular parts of a video from a graph that appears behind its progress bar. If the graph is high, then the part of the video has been replayed often. You can use the graph to quickly find and watch those moments. Pretty simple, but it's interesting to think how this might split the attention of viewers. I mean, what do you mean?
Of course it's going to.
Yes, this is an absolute. I saw a person the other day clipped out a portion of one of our videos. It was actually, I think it was the original time I was talking. Oh, no, it was when I was talking about burritos. See if you can find this right now, Will.
Okay.
It was really interesting because it was a clip and share, but it linked back to the original video.
Okay.
So just, I don't know, type Lou Later burrito, if you don't mind. Let's see if, I don't even know if you're going to be able to find it. Is it even searchable? Oh, interesting. It's not. It creates an unlisted link, and obviously I don't want you to go look for it now, but it creates an unlisted link that you can then share on social media, but only the clip portion. So that's kind of like a little bit of a precursor, and how socially you would often, like even for me, if I was to put a link in, let's say our chat, our company group chat,
yeah,
you could see how useful it would be to send you right to the part of the video that I need you to see. I mean, that doesn't happen that frequently, but I'm sure viewers feel that same way. The problem is when you have a video that people typically watch for entertainment, and then the kind of insane pace of take me right to the part, take me right to the part, take me right to the part, take me right, like conclusion. There's no build-up.
Yeah.
It would be really difficult. As you look at this graph, you just go to the peak retention points and
then make your decision whether it's worth it, which at that point you're not gonna.
It's hard. It's gonna be, yeah, it's a little tough. I mean, I'm sure there'll still be viewers that invest in the thing and turn it off, but there's gonna be a lot that just go right to those parts. Hey, whatever. Inevitable.
Right. You're right.
Inevitable, Mo. And here's the thing. Here's what we need to do, because as much as we sit here in this show on behalf of the community, we also live our lives, not just as the creators of things, but also the consumers of things. And I want you to take yourself out of the framework of being the guy who makes the things and posts the things.
Yeah.
And into the framework of the guy who watches. And all of a sudden, it's a new man. All of a sudden, it's a different guy. You just have to occupy both spaces at different points to understand where the people are coming from, to understand where the YouTube is coming from.
Right.
Go ahead, Mo. Go ahead.
I like watching like story-based content, like vlogs or A to B. It kind of ruins it for me to scrub and go to the exciting part right in the beginning. Like we were earlier talking about that Johnny Harris guy. How much of it is build-up? How much of it is like you need to care about this and like that part of the story?
Well,
that
in
part
his
of the video
case, though, you got to give him credit for information density.
Yeah.
If you are packing so much into each 10-second segment, then I think there's hopefully, I mean, I'm sure the reason the videos are doing well is because there's a feeling that the viewer has of not needing to skip. It's like, wow, this is all so important. even though it might not be the conclusion or the climax, it's all so important. It works better for some genres than others. And we're seeing,
Yes, you're right.
You know, we're seeing things.
Like if I'm watching a tutorial, take me to the part.
Take me to the part.
Yeah.
Take me to the part. So anyway, I'm sure you're gonna be able to turn it on or off, and I'm sure everybody in this community doesn't have to worry because their attention is already rock solid because they sit here with us for like 3 hours.
Yeah.
So just compliment. I just want to compliment everybody in the community. You are not.
You're a very patient.
You are
people.
not the TikTok crowd. Like you're a different thing, and honestly, for the most part, so are we. Like I don't really engage with the short form either, and I'm much more likely to engage with the long form on YouTube, and I will much more carve out a little bit of time to watch like a 20-minute video that I want to watch or see or support instead of 21-minute videos. Like that's never going to happen at this point in my life. I'm never going to watch 21-minute videos. And you'll see that might change for you as you guys out there, as your lifestyle changes and your viewing habits might change as well. So we'll see.